If you are interested to learn how to read and write Thai, but don't know what to start with, this ultimate guide to Thai reading course is what you're looking for. สวัสดีค่ะ Hello everyone, here is Kru Smuk from BananaThai and welcome to Ultimate Guide to Thai Reading, the course that will help you read and write Thai properly with confidence and fun.Just to introduce myself quickly, I've been teaching Thai language for more than 5 years with more than 150 online students enrolled to my previous course, Intensive Thai course, that helped them build a foundation to speak Thai properly and with confidence. And recently, I have developed this course called Ultimate Guide to Thai Reading to help you Thai learners master Thai reading and writing in a fun and friendly way with my style.This course is again designed with well-constructed contents นะคะ only things that you need to learn นะคะ in order to read and write Thai language fluently นะคะ There will be in total 25 lessons for you to practice including video lesson with me in a fun way including Thai textbook นะคะ You can download the textbook and print it out all of them with the in color so you can just learn from the video and write down in this textbook นะคะ Besides ค่ะ I also provide the online flashcards via Quizlet นะคะ that you can learn new words, practice writing with the Quizlet flashcards. And the last one ค่ะ plenty of example and exercise. And if you ask me who would be ready to learn reading and writing, honestly, this course is friendly for beginner. Well, if you have zero clue about how to read and write Thai, this course is perfect for you. But it's also friendly for the people that already learn the consonant and vowel. So many things that you can learn to improve your reading and writing skill. And lastly, if you are interested to learn or improve your Thai reading and writing skill, if you're quite curious what all of the signs around you telling you, if you would like to expand your Thai vocabulary, not only from listening and speaking, but from seeing, I think this course is just perfect for you. Honestly, it's gonna be so much fun with me.Please feel free to drop your email at krusmuk@bananathaischool.com if you have any question or need further information about this course. I'll be there assisting you นะคะ Besides, I also post the link below นะคะ With this link, you can click and see all of the content that you will learn from this course as well as see lesson previews and decide whether you like it or not. So, see you in the lesson with Ultimate Guide to Thai Reading with Kru Smuk เจอกันนะคะ See you. Bye.